Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to update the Windows 10 or Windows 11. In most of the laptops what happens is Windows is not updating. For this I will show you how to solve this. Go to the start, then click settings, then find the update and security options here. In the left hand side find the troubleshoot and then select additional troubleshooters options, and then in additional troubleshooters find Windows update and then click the run the troubleshooter options. Wait for a few minutes. Depending upon your system performance it will take 5 to 10 minutes. Yes, now the troubleshooting has completed. Okay, now I will show you the next option. Go to the start, then type cmd, then right click run as administrator. Here you need to type one by one. I will show you. You need to type net stop space WAUSERV, enter. The Windows update service is stopping. Wait for few seconds. Then again type net stop CRYPT crypt SVC, then enter. Cryptographic services. Then type again net stop bits, press enter. Then you need to rename one folder, C:/Windows software distribution space again software distribution .old, then press enter. After this go to the again C:/Windows system 32 cat root 2 space cat root 2.old, press enter. And then you need to restart all the services what you are stopped. Net start WAUSERV, and then press enter. The Windows update service is starting now. Then again net start CRYPT crypt service SVC. The S should be in the big letter, press enter. The last one net start space bits, enter. Okay, then type exit. Now you try to restart the system, then after you try to update the Windows it will work properly. Okay, thank you.